Well, good evening and welcome back. Thanks for joining us tonight. We definitely have some interesting weather going on out across southern New England. We have seen rain. We've even mixed over to some light snow, causing for slush and some hazardous road conditions earlier on. But now we've been actually in the rain for some time. Right now it's light rain. We've got some mist out here, some drizzle, and some patches of fog. But as temperatures drop to near 32 overnight, we're likely going to do a wintry mix once again, mixing in some sleet and snow as well. We do have the chance of seeing slippery commutes for tomorrow due to the wintry mix and the fact that temperatures are going to be near freezing, so we could see some pockets of icing, particularly in colder protected valleys like in Greenville, for example. We do have the potential by the day's end tomorrow to see some minor snow accumulations, and I mean really minor. Most of the area will see half an inch tops, but there is an exception to this. There is an area locally that could see something more, and I'll show you that too in a sec. We are going to be turning much colder for Tuesday, by the way. Lows will be dropping into the teens for Tuesday and Wednesday, and we're looking for highs on Tuesday to only struggle in the 20s. So brr. But don't fret, we don't stay there very long in the icebox. We have temperatures right now that are in the 30s. We even have the 40s as we look towards Bristol County and Mass, with 40 in New Bedford, and we've got 41 in Taunton. We're in the upper 30s here downtown. We also have 38 in Newport, and we're also finding the upper 30s in Westerly. Winds are moving in from the northeast. This is technically a nor'easter. Our storm is bringing in this classic wind pattern as it is winding up to our south, and it is bringing in higher gusts too. Although the gustiest of the winds of this stormy situation are likely to continue to be the farthest east point. So that includes the Cape and also Nantucket, where wind gusts have been meeting or topping 30 miles per hour. So here has been our lot for the day. We have been bringing through rain, occasionally heavy and moderate areas of rain as well. Meanwhile, in the highest of elevations to our north and west, we have been tracking this as snow. But things are going to change. The overall movement of the storm system as it continues to ramp up here, and when it pulls away, it's going to start to flip our wind direction from northeasterly to become northerly. And that's where this cold air is located. So this will be pulled through southern New England tomorrow, very slowly through the day. But at the same time, it is going to be lessening. It's going to be winding down. So Monday is going to be an interesting day. I'll show you how that's going to play out. Wanted to mention we do have a couple flood alerts in effect. The Patuxent River and the Wood River are both in flood warning. Both are expected to come above flood stage tonight and crest tomorrow morning. And we do have the flood warnings in effect through late Tuesday morning for the Wood River into Tuesday about 3 o'clock in the afternoon for the Patuxent. Low-lying areas are likely to go into minor flood. We're likely going to crest less than a foot above minor flood stage, just so you know. So we have this winter weather advisory, and this is in effect through 7 p.m. Monday for the area shaded in purple. It's that area that will have the chance of picking up some inches of snow, while the rest of us deal with this tapering system that brings us rounds of snow showers generally through the day on Monday. By the time we get to Monday evening, conditions will improve, and Tuesday we have the chance of seeing some ocean-generated snow showers in eastern Mass, but the rest of us are pretty much going to see it as a dry one. So again, most of us will see less than an inch. Our highest of elevations locally, that is in the advisory area, could pick up 1 to 3, but this is really a storm system for the higher elevations. The commutes, both morning and late, have the potential of being impacted by inclement weather, and our rainfall totals are going to continue to pile up there as well. So with that said, when do we get the sun back? Here's your answer. By the time we get to Tuesday, Wednesday will be mostly sunny. Temperatures will be coming out of the icebox too once we get to midweek. Thursday and Friday are going to be much warmer. In fact, warmer than average. Our average high is about 37, and we'll be in the 40s to finish out the work week.
Seems to be a trend we're having. You know, we start the week with all of this rain, now possibly snow. It's just every weekend.
It's been, if rainy days and Mondays get you down, you might want to call somebody.
What's that saying? If we didn't have Mondays, then we wouldn't know how to appreciate Tuesdays.
Well, that's true.
So that's a positive note for everyone.